Szechuan Milo daw gagawan ko muna. Yan ako, ganyan niya kadami. Inumin niya. Drink your Milo, Milo every day.
It tastes like chocolate.
Drink it.
It's chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate talaga. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. More. Wow. Oh, hold it. Hold with two hands. With your two hands. What do you want?
I wanna go to mommy.
Why? Tomorrow na. You have sipon again. You want to go to mommy na? Do you miss mommy na? May grabe naman ang baby ko. Hindi mo na love si mommy la? You don't love mommy la na? Ay, so... Oh, kiss mo na si mommy la. Oh, embrace mo na si mommy la. Hug mo si mommy la. O, kiss mo na si mommy la. I will bring you to mommy and daddy na. O, kiss mo si mommy la para... Oh, love you.
Love you. Love you.
I love you too. Sige, pupunta tayo.